Franco-Erasi design. The smart kitchens born in USA. Distributors. Stainless Steel Kitchens Corporation is the exclusive factory direct distributor of Franco-Erasi design products. We offer you the opportunity to increase your sales by becoming a manufacturer through the Magic Easy Kit, which is adjustable to your customers' needs. Not only can you design and create your own kitchen, but you can also build all kinds of cabinetry furniture like vanities, lockers, kitchenettes, outdoor kitchens, and more. Your imagination is the limit. The Magic Easy Kit is adaptable to any type of finish to satisfy your customers' decor, such as painted finish, wooden, glass, melamine, acrylics, etc. The Franco-Erasi design products are unique in the world and have pending USA patents protected in 96 countries around the world, including the first ever household stainless steel kitchens. The internationally renowned inventor, Mr. Franco-Erasi, solved many of the cabinetry industry problems, allowing us to substantially reduce costs while maintaining excellent quality. The whole invention is oriented to save time, money, and trouble because everything comes pre-made and very easy and quick to assemble. Doesn't need tools or specialized handymen. Hands-on with our hand interlocking system, anyone can assemble and install in a few hours versus days or weeks offered by the competition. Within the Franco-Erasi design products, we manufacture and develop integrated and modular kitchens using the most sophisticated techniques, making the stainless steel parts resistant to water and strong impacts. The products are also allergy-free and highly hygienic. The Franco-Erasi design products are manufactured 100% in the USA. Stainless Steel Kitchens Corporation. We offer you the best products at the best prices in its categories thanks to the latest and most advanced laser technology used by our manufacturing company that assures mass production and precision, which allows us to guarantee delivery from our permanent inventory directly from the manufacturer to the distributor. Franco-Erasi design. The smart kitchens born in USA.